Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create simple and effective automations in ClickUp to improve your workflow. Whether you're completely new to ClickUp and want to save time on repetitive tasks, or you simply want to streamline your work so everything runs more smoothly, this friendly step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly what you need to know. First, open ClickUp and head over to your workspace. If you're not logged in yet, just go to the ClickUp website and sign in. Many users prefer the sign in with Google option because it's quick, secure, and super convenient. Once you're in, choose the list where you want to create an automation. Lists in ClickUp act as containers for tasks, so building automations here can massively reduce the amount of manual work you do. Next, look toward the top of your list and click on the Automations button. This will open the Automations panel, where you'll see a wide variety of when this happens, do that, style options. These are designed to help you take repetitive actions off your plate, which is especially helpful if you manage a lot of tasks or work with a team. Now, click on the option to set custom field. This lets you automatically update or modify a specific field when certain conditions are met. For example, you might automatically set a task's priority, update a status, or tag a task when something changes. This is a great way to keep your information neat and consistent without having to edit everything manually. After that, select Change Assignees. This feature allows ClickUp to automatically assign tasks to the right person based on a condition you choose. Isn't that helpful? For example, when a task moves to a specific status, you can have it automatically assigned to a team member. Just click, select a user, choose the person you want, and ClickUp will take care of the rest. To make everything work smoothly, here's a quick tip: always double-check your triggers and actions before saving. Make sure your chosen condition actually matches the workflow you want. Doing this beforehand prevents confusion and ensures your automation behaves exactly as expected. Once you've configured everything, click Create to finalize your automation. After this point, ClickUp will automatically handle those steps for you, no extra effort required. You should now be able to keep your tasks organized, updated, and properly assigned without any interruptions. It's also a great idea to experiment with additional automation templates later on. Trying out different combinations helps you discover even more ways to boost productivity and keep your workspace tidy. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up ClickUp automations easily and efficiently, saving time and reducing manual work every single day. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who might benefit from a smoother and more automated workflow. Why not make their day easier?